Clear the problem, officer? No problem. I just want to let you know that you're the 100th person I seen today with this seatbelts on, which means you won $5,000 in the statewide safety competition.
Wow, that's great! What a surprise!
So, buddy, what are going to do with the winnings?
Well, first I think I might get a license. Maybe I pay off some of those warrants.
Oh, I don't believe her. She talks big when she's drunk.
May I take a look inside your van?
Whoa, cop. Darn it all. I knew we wouldn't get far in a stolen car. Hey, amigos, did we cross the border yet?